Oh. Slow down. Oh, 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 oh. Slow down for the pedestrians. Slow down for the pedestrians. Let's go up this little block. This little side block. It's so fucking twerky. Just gotta get used to that twerk. Can't make no excuses, though. Oh. Can't make no excuses, though. We gotta get out of here, just get to practicing. Like, I can really dirt bike, but it's a little different for some reason. Y'all hear that too? Oh, shit. I didn't see that fucking big ass bump. God damn it. It's back here. Uh-oh. Let's go to the big lots. Oh. Slow him down. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, I think I gotta go faster since I slowed it down. I'm hungry. Ain't gonna lie. We out here though, you know what I'm saying? I know I ain't saying too much. Just giving y'all some footage. Nothing major. Just out here. Shaking and moving, you know what I mean? Definitely want to get some street tires though. Like bad. Need some street tires. I'm probably doing like 30, 35 at the most. I think I might need to add a little more pinch and torque.